Okay, so hi guys, I'm back with another video. But anywho, you like my matte gloss? Yeah, period.
In an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still
Anyway, so I have for y'all today, I had launched my business for my lashes and my human hair, but I did not, and I'm gonna not sugarcoat anything because I keep it all the way 100. Anyway, I did not get a lot of sales at all, but I did for the wigs. Y'all came through, and I didn't even think I was going to get that. So, thank y'all for trying me out or whatever. So, I appreciate that. And I will do a video on my wigs and my bundles so that y'all can see how soft it is, because this is not my hair right that I have on now, but see how soft it is, how good of a treatment it is once I wash it. I'm gonna have all that in another video, not this one. This is going to be strictly about lashes, and I don't have all my lashes, so bear with me. I'm gonna just make this video so y'all can see the ones I do have. Every lash comes with two, not one, but two free gifts. Okay, girls? No, it's not a bundle package. It's two free gifts that comes with it. Okay, it's available. So when I'm done uploading this, I'm going to actually go live on TikTok to show my followers or whatever the lashes I have got. So let's start this unpacking video. So today I probably have some already, but this is some of my items that you get for free. This is my ration tag bags. I do it like this with a little pretty little thing on there. I got my own twist to it. You feel me? And then I have these for my girls. My girls that love glue, hair glue. I don't care. Comment below. Say what you want. I used to use hair glue a lot for my lashes. Still do. Nothing's wrong with it. But if you don't want to use the glue pens, you can use glue inside of here and do it like that. And this is one of the different gifts that you get with your lashes. And the lashes range up to $6 to $12. The $12 ones would be like my dramatic extreme lashes. Okay? That's my lashes like that. The extremes are the ones with the money box. They the hot girl ones. So we'll talk and have another video on that one. We're just talking about the classy, my flued out girls. This is for you. Okay? So these are the two things that I was showing you guys. My other free gifts I'm not going to show you guys because you have to purchase first to see what you get. And I have some of the names. I'm just going to list some of the names. I'm not going to show them because I haven't named them yet. This is just an unpacking video. So I have Bella, I have Chloe, Pink Friday, First Class, India, Cover Girl, Vicky S, Pink Attire, Mask Off, Prada Girl. That's the ones I have for you guys right now. So we will be unboxing. And these are top and bottom lashes, okay? Top and bottom. Can't go wrong, okay? And I'm getting snug. Bear with me. So this is the unboxing video. And don't forget to go to my backdrop and check it out on how I made it, guys. Come on. Subscribe to your girl. Please. Feel me? Anyway. These are one of the lashes that I have and I will be uploading tonight on the website. Cute. And if you feel as though that when you see it, you think it's thin, because I'm going to have videos, if you think it's thin, I'm going to tell y'all, I have some that are thin, but I don't have a lot that's thin. If you have one that's thin, please let me know. And you're going to get another one. Okay? You can double up on your lashes. But I do not play that. I play fair. And we're going to tell it like it is. Okay? We're not playing these games. But anyway, they're cute. Can't go wrong. And I will be taking them out the box. I will have my labels on the back of them. So these are the back. These are for my flued out girls. These are the flued out collection. And then I have the hot girl collection with the money. So stay tuned, guys. I have these. Sorry guys about my nails. I know, a little kind of ghetto, right? Yes, girl, yes. Period, okay? Period. I play too much, y'all. But anywho, make sure y'all give your girl a subscribe, share, whatever you gotta do. I will be uploading my human hair bundles, okay? And it's definitely worth my price, okay? I know my price, I know my worth, just like you girls know your worth. I know my worth, so check me out, okay? Give your girls some play, okay? Because I'm really shy, camera shy, but I just started doing this little thing called living, okay? So I have these. I'm going to take them out so you can see them. And these are, I will let you guys know which one's top and bottom. These ones falling off. So I know it's better. So I'm going to have to fix some of them. These are cute, ladies. Get you some $6 to $10. You can't go wrong. Yes. Yes, period. Okay. I kind of just hit my little thing, but it hurt. Anyway, go check me out. Because I'm going to give you a flavor. Flavor. And I have a little stand right here for my little. Alright, we have another can. These are cute. Period. Look, let's open these up, boo. And they're all not the same, so. Oh my girls, y'all gonna like these. Y'all gonna like these, period. I'm giving y'all girls everything y'all wanted in lashes, okay? Yes, flavor. And I do wholesale. But with my wholesale, you don't get the box. The box only for me, okay? But yes, I have, check me out. I have lashes. You can get bundle deals. My bundle deals will be up. They're very cheap, $15. I mean, not cross it out. But let me get my phone. Matter of fact, I'm not even gonna do that. I'm gonna put a picture clip. I'm gonna pause it for a little bit so you can see the price. Like $6, $10. Yeah. Girl, get you some wholesale. And I got y'all. I have y'all. Okay? I got y'all. Okay, too. I got all y'all. Yes. I'm trying to organize a little bit. Alright. So with these. Remember guys, some of these are bottom lashes. Yes. Yes, queens. Yes. I love these. Girl. Girl. Let me turn the camera this way so that y'all don't hit it. And my fan is on. Oh my goodness. Bam. Sis, can you see me? Check me out. Yes. Come on, get cute real fast. On. Okay. Put them on. These are stinking cute. So these are the same ones. Make sure y'all go check my website out. What? So these ones I think. Oh, yo, pull out these. The girl came through for y'all. Yes, y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready for this? Y'all ready? Your girl came through with the cane through. Yes. Period. Okay, I got y'all. When I told y'all, I got y'all. Okay? Stop playing with me. When it's happen, I told this. I'm gonna label them tonight, and I'm gonna put them up so my girls can have them. These is thin, and I'm thinking because they bottoms, but don't get me wrong, but yeah, they could be bottoms. That's probably why they roll thin. So don't burn me out, girls. Don't burn me out, okay? Oh yes, sis. This would be cute. Yes. All right. You girls got your classy mamas. Classy mamas. I have a ton of lashes, girls. And this is so fun. I'm unboxing. Guys, give me a like, a subscribe. Show your girls some love. Alright. These is for my little classy ones. My little classy ones. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, they probably bottoms. They are probably bottoms. But I'm gonna go on there and I'm gonna net everything out, minimum, and everything, sis. I got you. Positively, okay? Yeah, I think the thin ones are for the bottom. So when you see the thin ones, it's not because they the top lashes and they thin and you ain't flying away yet. That's not the case. It's because they bottom lashes, sis. Bottom lashes. And these are cute. These are bottoms. These are cute, ladies. These are your bottom lashes. Okay? I got your mamas. Yes, I did girl. Okay, I got told with variety. Alright, so let's put the bottoms with the bottoms. Or I'm gonna try to organize this real fast, guys. So that way y'all don't burn me out. Okay? Alright, here we go, mamas. Here we go. Oh. These are the bottom lashes, ladies. So don't kill the messenger. These are my bottom lashes. I'm sorry. My bottom mamas. And sorry guys, my baby in the background. She's very hood and don't know how to take the hood out. Okay. Alright, I'm back because my daughter was going crazy. Okay. Alright, so some of my lashes are a little short, but not short, sorry. Some of them are a little thin, but for the ones that are thin, sis, double up. You know I'm gonna give it to you for cheap, but double up on them. It's only one that's like that. So don't try to play me out. Don't steal me out, girls. Don't steal me out, okay? These are cute and bomb. It's for the bomb moms. Oh yes, sis. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. These are for you, girls. These, you see it? Do you see it? Yes. Okay, mom. No. Alright, sis. Okay. Period. These are my bottom lashes, zombies. Yes. And it's fun unboxing. Okay, I'm doing it for the fun. Don't want my daughter, she's the height and very extra. Okay, you feel me? Extra. Read all about it. These are my bottom lashes, babies. Bottom lashes. So, get a little cute with me, but don't be scared, get a little cute. And I'm just organizing them, so that way, when y'all go to order, y'all know what y'all ordering. Alright, and in the back, I got my lip glosses, and they are for my daughter makeup. But they are for my queens too. If y'all want them, come get them. Yes, these are my bottom beads. I got different types of bottoms. My bottoms. Yes. So all my bottoms in the bottom. I'm organizing, ladies. I'm organizing while I'm going. I got a lot of bottoms though. Period. Because I got y'all and I told y'all was gonna come with the cum. Okay. Come with the cum. So y'all can always refer back to my video to see what it looks like what. You feel me? Oh, that's gonna come out. I gotta see this one. Okay. Put that on. Okay. Yes, these are bottoms. My bottom beads. Yes. I told y'all I was going to get it for y'all. Y'all just playing. And yes, I do wholesale. So, hey. Hi, let me, my leads. Yes. These are bottoms too. Okay. Told y'all I was coming with the bottoms. Okay. For my girls. Told y'all I was doing your bottoms. Like, what y'all doing? Like, why? Why must y'all play? And the bottoms are very thin, so be careful. Very thin. Because they supposed to look natural. You don't want no your eyes sticking together and you can't see and cause a scene. So, yeah, please, like, get it together. Okay? If I'm not looking at y'all, it's because I'm trying to get these together. And I'm going to show y'all how it looks because I organized it. I'm doing organization because I don't play that tacky shit. Y'all gotta really show me how these look because they're different. Okay? They're very different. I was trying to get y'all something that looked different so y'all can, you know, feel the feel. They bottom. On the bottom, I want to yell. I think these the same. I don't know, look. She give me more bottoms than it. Seems like she give me top. These bottoms too. I like these bottoms better than all of them. These my fave. I'm gonna take them off the head. And this what it is. Yes. Cute, mama. Cute. Alright. Giving you some lashes, too. I'm thinking lashes. And these are bottoms, too, I'm guessing. I ain't really telling you. But, hey, if y'all want, y'all can get it. If y'all don't buy them. Period. I ain't too sure about these ones. Ain't a fan. But these are bottoms. So if y'all wondering, these are bottoms. Alright, ladies. I'm about to take this video up for you guys. Because this is getting time to go. I still got another one for y'all. Yes, get you some. Get you some. Yes, ladies, yes. Alright. So there you have it. That's all, guys. And then I got my little stand here. I'm knocking over stuff. At this point, I'll just show you a clip when I take a picture of it. Alright? Thank y'all for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, and y'all definitely want to see my money big hot girl lashes. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. Oh, I'm all hype. Hold on. Let me show you some of the lip glosses that we have. Yes, ladies. Yes, y'all see that? It's the glow up. Big glow. Yes. Yes. These ones got like glitter. You see the glitter? It's pink. It's a pink girl. Wanna always. I like my pink. Yes. You feel me? You should get you some. What you waiting on? What you waiting on, Barbie? I'm gonna do a little package for lashes. Yes, you want them for the pink. Thanks for the good pink. Anyway, so bye, like, subscribe, and yeah, the girl be back.